Hello everyone, hope we're all having a fantastic day. I was meant to go with this thought breakout, but we have this gap up in favor of the sellers. I was meant to go with the buyers, so I decided not to take this trade. Yeah, you're welcome to today's trading session. I only have the plan of taking just one trade. I'm doing something very different, and it's just gonna be a full margin trade, just one, and that's it. So I hope to win this trade. Though I would have gone with the buyers here, but because of this gap up in favor of the sellers, I decided not to take this trade. Though we would have won too, but it would have been a very bad trade. And the fact that you're going in with full margin trade, you should not take this kind of trade. Anytime you see it, yes, we have first touch high, second touch high. You understand? But we are coming in with this crazy, though not very strong momentum. But at the same time, we have a gap up in favor of the sellers. It's a negative confirmation. We shouldn't take this trade. Though if we had a gap down, I would have taken the trade. It would have been amazing. But that's just it. So today, I'm not going to bore you with looking for any fine trade, the process of looking for the trades. I'm just going to get right straight to it. So let's just search for a very good opportunity in the market. So once we find the trade, we'll just take it, and it's as simple as that. So I have this basic market structure. Now, anytime you have a basic market structure like this, the first thing you should look out for is market sequence. Look at it. We have this 2 green, then 1 red. 2 green, we have red. 2 green, we have another red. So you can see the pattern now. Now, if this break happens and we don't come back into the range, it's all right. We're probably just late to the party. So there's every tendency that the market might just break to the downside, or it might just be a fake out then to break to the upside. So we need to be careful about that. So far so good. We've only had 1 red, and then there's a green after it. But now we have 2 reds and there's a green after it. So the market is trying to tell us something. This might just be a fake out, and the price will just push to the upside. In previous markets though, it's been ranging kind of up and down. You can see up, down, then up and down. So the next movement of the market should be to the upside, unless they want to have a break to the downside. So let's just see how that goes. In recent market, we have a doji that did not work. So we need to put that one into consideration also. Okay. So the market's direction is to the upside now. So we've had a fake out here, and we have this push to the upside. So let's see if that's going to happen. We have a kind of supply here. Now the market has extended its range now. So let's see what the market will do. Maybe we will take our trade here or not. There's a big supply here. So let's see if markets will break through the supply. We can go to lower time frame to investigate the supply more. You can see we have this. So let's mark this quickly. Mark this supply just to understand what's happening in the market. Okay, we have a very clean break to the upside. Now we may have a retracement after this. If we have a gap up, I would have gone with the sellers, but there's no gap up though. There's a round number. I still don't trust the round number because we may just keep pushing. There's a particular strategy I learned that when you have an angle of, and you have a continuation sign like this, you can actually go with the buyers like for the next candle. But the thing there is, we closed on a round number here, so that might trigger the sellers to like push to the downside. So we just need to be careful because we only have one shot. So there's another supply up here. Let's mark it quickly. We have a supply up here. Now it's going to be a fresh supply, so there's every tendency that we may have a retracement. So if we enter this supply and we have a gap up, we may have an opportunity. But let's investigate further. Let's check this supply if we have a lower time frame entry. No, there's no fresh lower time frame entry yet. I've seen. We'll check S5. If there's none, there's no problem. We will not bother about it, okay? You can see. Okay, we have one here. Can you imagine? We have one here. So it's most likely to work, actually. There's one in S5. Okay, it's working now. That's very good. So we are late to the party also, but we will not rush to take any trade. Okay, fine. You can see it did not work because of this crazy momentum. Now I will not go against this momentum, even though I'm expecting a red candle here right now. I will not go against this momentum, though it's a fifth candle, so we can apply the fifth candle theory here, and we are also in a supply area. You understand? And this break of structure, we just broke this this level. So there's everything, and we have a gap up too. There's every tendency that we have a red candle. But you see this momentum. Anytime you see a momentum, you should not trade against it, no matter how convincing your setup is. Just don't trade against it. So let's just move to the next. But I'll keep an eye on it though. Let's move to the next. Okay, cool. We have a point of decision here, but let me see if I can quickly find the entry. Okay, we don't have a fresh entry. Let me see if we have a fresh entry in here. I've not seen a fresh entry yet. I probably would have taken that. Okay, there's a fresh entry somewhere here, but market has passed to the area. There was a fresh entry here. Let me see. Okay, that would have been amazing. We would have taken this trade, and we have market sequence also. But we are late to this party, but it's all right to miss certain trades like this. You see, if we had taken that previous trade here, we would have lost. You see what I'm talking about? So going against the momentum is suicidal. It's best not to do it, but we could have taken this trade because this would have been an amazing trade. You understand? Now, this is how you take your trades, guys. You consider all your options. Yes, there's every tendency you may miss one or two, and it's all right. You need to be okay with missing out on trades, especially when you're not convinced or well convinced about it. It should be a normal thing for you. Protect your psychology as much as you can. Just be calm, be patient with yourself. You will take a good trade eventually if you keep considering everything that you need to consider and not jump into a trade. So we have this common point of rejection here, but I can't trust it unless I have more reasons to go with either the buyers or sellers. We have this round market sequence. You can see 2 green, red, 2 green, red, 2 green, red. So now they're trying to break this level. Let me see okay. It's a very strong level. Actually, you can see it's a very strong level, and they're trying to break this level right now. So we are making lower highs over here, but they are not able to break break this level, and they are not making lower lows. So that tells you that the buyers here are very strong. So we may have an opportunity to the upside. And this looks like a third touch. First touch high, second touch high. This is a third touch. But because of the way this area is, I'll need more confirmation. I'll need more confirmation to take this trade. Is either there's a gap down, so we have this market sequence of 2 red, 1 green, 2 red, 1 green, 2 red, 1 green. Well, this is just a single red right here. And you can see the push. Okay, it opens directly on the level. I think I should take this trade. But I'll be taking this trade with the margin of safety. If it gives me the entry right under here, I'm going to take the trade. Let's go. Okay, so I'm expecting a green candle. I hope it happens. I believe it will happen though, but let's just see. We have 33 seconds. So let's see how it goes. Okay. All right. Okay. The network seems to be misbehaving right now. Well, let's just say I believe 10 seconds should have passed. Okay, we won the trade. Oh, that's good. So let me quickly explain this trade, then we'll end the session right here. So we have this first touch high, second touch high. Now we have some couple of touches here, but none of them actually closed on this level. You can see right here. This is the only one that closed on this level, and we can see the rejection from the buyers over here. Rejection. So immediately the price closed on this level. You understand? I was expecting the buyers to come in, but I would not take the trade immediately. You understand? So I took the trade right somewhere down here at the lower boundary here, and we just even though they are the buyers are a little bit weak, you can see right now. I believe that the market will probably break to the downside, and they'll just start pushing to the downside from here on. We have another gap down, but I'm not going to take any trade again. Like I said, it's just one trade I plan to take, and that's it for this session. So thank you so much. Now, a couple of announcements. If you have any video requests, anything you will specifically want me to explain in my videos, comment under this video. Put your just write it in the comment section, and I will do my best to make sure I make a video about it. You understand? I've told all my friends in the Telegram channel. So if you have not joined the Telegram channel, please join the Telegram channel. Also, give me a like on this video and subscribe. I really want you guys to subscribe so that I can make more content like this for you. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.